Himachal Pradesh is among the most beautiful and peaceful state in India, and all this is possible due to amazing villages which add to the charm of this beautiful state. So, let us give look at some of the most beautiful places in Himachal Pradesh that you should must visit before you die. Chitkul village. Chitkul is a village in Kinnaur district of Himachal Pradesh. It is near Indo-China border. It is placed to view the most spectacular snow-clad mountains in Himachal. Main attractions of this village are its houses with either slate or wooden plank roofs, a Buddhist temple and a small tower. Chitkul village is around 569 kilometers from North Capital Delhi and 28 kilometers from Sangla. There are HRTC buses from Sangla to Chitkul at regular interval. Kasol. Kasol village is situated in Parvati Valley on the banks of Parvati River in Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh. It is located 42 kilometers away from Kullu. Manikarn Sahib Gurudwara is just 3 kilometers from Kasol. The Manikarn Gurudwara has a hot water spring located within the premises of Gurudwara. The devotees take a dip to wash away their sins and illness away. Tosh. Tosh is one of the most beautiful village after Kasol in Parvati Valley. If you guys are planning a trip to Kasol, then Tosh should always be on your wish list. Snow-capped peaks, lush green landscapes and freezing temperature are some of the characteristics of this village. Tosh is located at a distance of 21 kilometers from Kasol. The village has recently become a hub for backpackers and trekkers who come flocking here in search of cheap accommodations. Tosh is not that expensive. The guest houses and hotels are available at the both ends of the village. Kaza. Kaza is a remote village in Spiti Valley of Himachal Pradesh. This village is surrounded by cold-clad mountains on all four sides. Silence prevails in the valley all the times. Here travelers can enjoy stunning views for hours and experience the relaxed state of mind. In order to reach Kaza by road, the village is located 115 kilometers from Manali. It takes 6 hours to come if one travels by hired cab. Another option is to travel through Shimla. Malana. Malana village has recently become so popular in international culture that every person wants to visit this little Greece in Parvati Valley of Himachal Pradesh. Located at the interior summits of Kullu Valley below Chandrakani Pass, Malana is so surreal and calm that one has to rub his eyes to believe that it actually exists. This place has different identity for different people. For some it's paradise and for some it's place to get world's most beautiful scenic views. This village has long remained secluded from rest of the world, and that is the reason why this place holds so many facts within itself. So, this was the list of 5 most beautiful villages in Himachal Pradesh, and if you liked the video, do hit the subscribe and like button. Thank you.